Good one. Good burp. I'm ready. Appreciate it. Thank you for the 40 months. Good one. Good one. Oh. I'm gonna be no fighting game streamer. No, the colors were like more faded. A good burp. Tracking. Good. Got like 2 new cards out of all of Flamigo! An Iono. That sound, I think. 99? He uses so amazing. Okay. Good one. Sick. Good burp. I piss. I got so many. Bonanza. I need to be Ezreal and like really into playing Ezreal. I'm dying. I'm dying. Tracky got pen. Oh my god. No. No. Wow. Sorry. There was 2 of the vamp. I'm gonna have a quick beer, Bizzle. Every game rotation sucks. Chat's going crazy. That's depends. Good one. When the Finna is gas. Can you not Google a Spotify link? Good burp. Thank you so much for the gifties. Wow. They made him change his name. That he's genderless. Good burp. I missed. That's good. Wow. Married to... Crash out? Wow. Wow. Almost. You know what I'm saying? Like that. The Benny. I swear my pee in my balls. We are. Just couldn't get to that. Good one. Over here. Good one. That's fucked up. I don't know. It seems like a. We're weird, yes. Let's see. We can open a Pokemon pack after. Freak. I'm cold. Good burp. Pretty good. Yo, what's up, Admiral? Good one. See you later. I actually call it. It's a donkey. It's a finale. Yeah, I don't think it'll be a good meme. Modern Twitch. Yo! Nice. That's pretty good. Who do you think you look like? I don't know. What are you guys doing to your... No, I haven't. I've seen look at this graph. Nah. Ooh, already. Good one. Good one. No. Yeah, it's doable. It's doable. Good burp. I can't type. It was funny. Here. Yeah, I'm trying to say it's possible. That's what I'm. Man, had a lot of burps. Man. Pretty good. Pretty good burps. Powerful.